In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace domain to Framer 2026, step by step. If you have a site built in Framer and a domain registered through Squarespace, this guide will walk you through the exact places to click so your custom web address points to your Framer project. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Framer and that you know the domain you own in Squarespace. You won't need any code here, just a couple of settings and a clean, correctly formatted domain. First, head to your Framer project. At the top, open the project settings using the gear icon. This is where all site-level configuration lives, things like publishing, performance, and most importantly for today, your domain connection. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct project here can save you from connecting the wrong site later. Inside settings, go to the domain section. This page shows your default Framer subdomain and the options for adding a custom domain. Think of it as the control room for how people reach your site. If this is your first time connecting a domain in Framer, the layout is simple and focused, so everything you need will be on this screen. Now choose Connect an existing domain. You'll see a field where you can paste your Squarespace domain. Enter it exactly as you want visitors to use it. For example, www.yourdomain.com or yourdomain.com. Don't include HTTP or HTTPS and avoid extra characters, slashes, or paths. Keeping it clean ensures Framer recognizes the address immediately. If you're unsure whether to use the version with www or without it, pick the one you plan to share most often. You can keep it consistent across your branding and links. After you paste your domain, proceed to confirm. Framer will validate the format and then present clear, on-screen guidance to complete the connection. Follow the prompts you see there. If Framer displays information about records or verification, that's normal. It's simply confirming how your domain will route to your project. Small typos are the most common issue at this point, so double-check spelling and punctuation if anything looks off. Once you've completed the on-screen steps, give the connection a little time to settle. It's common for changes related to domains to take a while to reflect everywhere. You can revisit the domains page in Framer to check the status. When everything is connected, your Framer site will be reachable at the Squarespace domain you entered. That's it. Open Settings, go to Domains, connect an existing domain, and paste your Squarespace address. Keep things precise, follow the prompts, and you'll be live on your custom URL.